Hey y'all, so I'm on my way to Walmart because y'all are so spoiled and y'all wanted me to vlog. Anyway, I'm in my hallway. So let's get the going. Hopefully I can vlog all the way. I have a lot to do, so I'm just gonna do what I can, but for sure I'm going to be doing a haul video and show you guys everything I got. Walmart. So far I have my water and alkaline water, my wipes, and some Cheez-Its because that's going to be for a recipe. So yeah, it's a lot of people in here, so it's kind of hard to vlog. I kind of don't want to. So I'm going to just show y'all what I get once I'm done.
Alright y'all, I'm done. And let me see, because I'm not trying to show my card. So somebody was close because I got to, let me see, 120.21.
I'm home. The 40 pack of water is downstairs, y'all. I'm not going downstairs for that water, but I got that 40 pack of water from Walmart here. Ignore my Chick-fil-A. I got some soup. Hey y'all, so I'm back in the house. Excuse the sweat. You know, ever since I've been working out, every little thing I do, I start sweating now. So it is what it is. I'm about to show you guys everything I got, and then alright, y'all, I'm gonna start with the meats. I got a pack of chicken. I only got one because I still have meat in the fridge. I know y'all looking at this like, how she bought a little bit of meat to last 2 weeks? It's because I still have seafood in the fridge. I still have, you know, another pack of chicken. You know, I work around what I already have. I bought some more ground turkey because that's what I eat mostly with dinner. I don't show you guys those videos because they're boring. You know, I just throw it on some lettuce and I go. I got some short ribs because the steaks were way too expensive for me, the ones that I wanted anyway. This is the lunch meat for my husband, sandwiches for work. These are the cheeses that I got. I love this hot jalapeno cheese, so that's what I got. Butter, breakfast sausage, and bacon. Over here I got the soap to wash my clothes. I got my wipes. Yes, I use these wipes on myself. I don't have no kids. And I got my Lysol wipes to wipe down the kitchen or the bathroom sinks. They're very convenient. So, alright. So over here, let me move the crackers. I got some Cheez-Its and some Ritz. Let me move these out the way. These Ritz are not for me to eat. I'm actually gonna use them in a recipe, so I'm looking forward to showing you guys that recipe. Alright, so let me start from the left. I got my cilantro right here. I have my onions. My dishes in the sink. I have my onions. I got a couple lemons. They were too high. They were like 50 something cents each. So I got 2, but then I got some limes. I mostly use those in my morning smoothies and lunch smoothies. So yeah, I got some chilies right here. I got my celery. This is the honey wheat bread that I use for his sandwiches. This is the cauliflower rice. Y'all know that's what I've been eating a lot. I don't even buy regular rice anymore. And if I can't afford to get these, then I just get lettuce. And that's what we both eat. We both eat. Whatever I eat, he eats for dinner. I got the mayo. I got some broth. I got my thyme. I got my strawberries. This bag of apples. I decided to play it smart and just get a bag because one will go in his lunch and I can use the same exact apples from this bag in my smoothies, and it's green and it's healthy. So I decided to just get the bag versus the other apples that he likes. What's the name of the apple here? I can't even think of it right now, but I couldn't afford the apple that he likes. It's very expensive. I got baby spinach. That's also for my smoothie. I got green leaf lettuce. That's for salads with the turkey. I told you guys already I got that big old 40 pack. Water is still down on the stairs. So these are alkaline waters. I decided to give this brand a try since I was shopping on a budget, and they were 98 cents, so I got 5 of them. So great value. There's juices back here. These are for the house. I don't drink juice like that. I prefer water. And the Lipton here, I put those in his bag with his sandwiches. So that's pretty much it. And my total, where I put it? Let me get my receipt. Yeah, I think I showed y'all already. My total is right there, 120.21. And there go my water for $3.98. It's still down on the stairs. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for my shopping trip. Bye, y'all.